Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a stunning library layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the library layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It looks really nice and clean and modern, and you can definitely use this for a ton of different kind of websites. And if you want to lay your hands on it, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, and you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the library layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button which says View Live Demo. And this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack before actually installing it on your website. So say for instance you want to use this landing page layout, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now over here you will have three different options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And of course we're going to browse through our layouts by clicking on the purple button over here. Now go ahead and scroll down within your pre-made layouts until you come across the library layout pack again. Click on it, select your layout of choice, and click on the green button that says use this layout for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything and make your website ready to go live. Of course, you can modify all of the written content that comes with certain modules. But you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to make a lot of changes throughout your entire layout pack in just a few clicks. So say for instance you want to change the font that's being used, you can go to the heading text settings over here and right click on the heading font, click on find and replace, and you can replace this font within this page with another font of your choice. So let's just take the default one for instance. And you can also tick off the box that says replace all font values within every option type not limited to heading font to make sure that all of the modules are covered. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to change throughout your entire layout, and you can basically do that for each and every option you have within each and every element. So go ahead and play around with this layout pack and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.